Okay, remove it, remove it. No, no, no.
How?
You put it and remove it. Okay. No, no. No, remove. Remove. Turn, turn, turn. Very good. Very good. Very good. Do it. Very good. See, it's coming out now. Wow, can you take it all the way out? Very good, huh? High five. Very good. Now remove the other one. Okay. Turn, turn, turn.
I'm turning.
Okay.
Just
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Do the work, do the work, do the work. Whatever it is, do the work, huh? Okay, remove.
turn it. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Keep it, keep
No, no,
it.
no. You have to
No, we can turn it. I can turn it in my hand.
Are you sure?
Yeah. See, I told you I can do in my hand.
Yes, that's wonderful.
See?
Hmm.
Don't
Okay.
hold.
Okay. Now remove the light cup. Slowly. Remove the light cup.
Make
Okay.
over, make over.
Okay, Allaganna.
Make
Leave it, leave it, let it be. Okay. Now wait, huh? Wait, wait,
This
wait.
This light is old version. This is too old.
Now, give me. Press and remove the light out. You have to, press it gently and pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out.
Can I?
Pull it out.
Can you
Pull it
try
out.
it
No, no, no.
again?
No, it's okay. See, very simple, no? No, no. I'll do the spraying part. Hold it. Oops.
I told you.
Can you give me? Thank you.
I told you, Daddy.
Can you go to a side, please? I'm going to spray this, huh? I'm going to
Can I
clean
look?
the contacts. Yes, you can
Can I
look.
look?
Yes. See, that's enough.
That's water.
No, that is a spray. No, you call that a contact cleaner, okay? Now, can I have the new light?
Can I put?
Yes, you can. Okay, I'll help you. Let me help you, let me help you. Okay. Put it like this and twist. Now you have to do me a small favor. Can you check whether the light is turning on?
Not turning on.
No, no.
Wait, It's owning.
I think
It's owning.
yes, the brake light is working, but the parking light is burned out. Okay. Let's check again, huh?
It's
Now,
so hot. Dad, can you off a little?
now
Can you-
both lights are working. Previously, I think there was a loose connection. Okay,
What?
that's why the parking light didn't work. See? Can you see, madam? It's now working, huh?
Yeah. So?
Can you put the cover back?
Huh?
Put the cover back.
Okay.
Tail light cover. Slowly. Very good. Now I'm going to put this screw in. Okay.
Can I do in my hand?
Yes.
I can do in my hand in myself.
Yes, I know. But I like to help you.
I didn't know then. I didn't need help. I'm doing it myself.
Wow. It's wonderful. I'll do this, huh? Wait,
No,
wait, wait.
I will do this.
Okay.
So tight.
Then I'll do this one. Can you try this one? While I do this one? Wow. Can I help you?
Can I use this?
Okay. No, I'm just helping you. Okay. Turn, 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 turn. Okay. Shall we check the connection again? Can you check if the tail light is working? Let me know if the light turns on, okay?
Wait, it's not owning yet. It's owning. It's owning. This is owning. Can
Again,
Wait,
I think
wait. You will check. You check.
brake light is working. Parking is not working, Baba. Parking is not working. Release the lever. Release it. Release it. Now press. Release. Release it. Oh, okay. Parking light is not working. We'll fix it. Wait. See, the contacts are corroded. Okay. So I am trying to clean it. Okay.
But make a clean කරන්නකෝ.
I got clean කරමු.
මේක dirt හැදිලා නේ.
අපි මේක clean කරලා
Daddy, yellow color paints තියනවද? හා?
මේක clean කරන්න බෑ. register number please no.
Yeah.
See, අපි දැන් දාලා බලමුද?
Can I put?
Yes.
Can I touch it?
इसमें पूरी के दाम बड़ा wait I'll help you now check if the light is working huh?
Wait, I will.
Wait, don't press it
Can I check?
I think there's a loose connection
What?
small loose connection is there but the bulb is working see now the parking is working when you press the brake lever it's working
What is the loose condition? Huh?
ඊට පස්සේ මේ ඇසෙම්බලි එකේ ඔක්කොම ගැලවුවා. පස්සේ හැබැයි මම ආයෙ හොයාගත්තා. ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ මේ ලයිට් එක පිච්චිලා. දැන් චුට්ටකට කලින් වැඩ කරා. ආයි චෙක් කරන වෙලාවේදී මේ බයික් බල්බ් එක පිච්චිලා තියෙන සමහරට ඔයගලන්ට මේක පේනේයි. රයිට් ඒක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. දැන් මම ආයෙ මේ ටික ෆික්ස් කරනවා. කමට අපි ඔන්න ලයිට් එක දාලා චෙක් කරලා බලමු. රයිට්. දැන් වැඩ. කනෙක්ෂන් එකක් හරි. දැන් අපි ආයි හයි කරා. බබා බලන්න ලයිට් එක වැඩ කරනවද කියලා.
You better do that.
හරිද? දැන් බලන්න බ්‍රේක් එක ඇල්ලුවම වැඩ කරනවද බලන්න.
Huh? Make it.
Oh, වැඩ කරනවා නේ. Alright, don't touch, it's very hot. Alright. Now we have fixed everything. Now you have to check if the light is working, okay?
Okay.
Is the light
It's
working? Working?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Now I press the brake lever. Is it working?
Yeah.
Now?
It's
Brake light off, no?
Now it's working a little bit. Now it's working a lot.
Okay. So that is the brake light. So thank you for helping me.
And this
Handshake.
is
Thank you.
තාම පත්තු වෙනවා.
It's okay. Handshake, we'll finish the job. Thank you.
මේ තාම පත්තු වෙනවා.
Okay, thank you.